Hello guys, this is Redneck Gunsmith here. I'm showing you guys an Enfield carbine bayonet from the Civil War. And yeah, I'm just gonna show it real fast. Okay, turn on macro mode. You can see the serial number. I'll flip it so you can see the full serial number. The only bad thing I would say about this bayonet is it's missing that little spring there, but that's not a big deal. Keep on going down the blade. See our little inspector's mark, I believe. Might be the factory. In the description I'll have the info and the history about it, so just showing the blade. Tip's pretty blunt, I would say. Not sharp at all. But then again, I would say 80% of the bayonets weren't sharpened, so, or swords rather. Okay. And let me flip it. This was for the carbine, not the full-length rifle, so. And you can, if I go back here for a sec, you can see the curve of the blade. It's kind of neat. Is kind of cool. I think that's the same cartouche, yeah. Well, here's neat. Here's the serial number, if you can see that. Let me get my flashlight. Hope you can see that better. Okay. That's neat because on the scabbard, one sec, I gotta flip the scabbard now. Oops. Flip that there. And the scabbard, it's the same serial number, so it's a matching bayonet, which is nice. And again, it's missing that little piece right there. Let's flip it to the other side, which I haven't. And yeah, here's different cartouche. Can see that, and yeah, there's the other side. There's a little spring that holds the bayonet lug in place so it won't fall off, and that's about it. I believe this little thing right here, you can see, that was held on your belt by your frog, they call it. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just thought it was kind of neat to show you guys. Please check out my channel for other Civil War videos and relic videos and gun videos. Thanks for watching.